Hi everyone, today we're gonna do some exercise together in French. Salut mes amis, j'espère que vous allez très bien. Mbote na bandeko nyonso boza kolanda ngai lelo tokosala exercice ensemble en français. Alors, nina bakaso boza mituna botindela ngai yango na osala nyonso tuna répondre bino. Guys, so we're gonna do some exercise together, okay? In case you don't get it, please watch the way I'm gonna do them several times and then you're gonna be okay, okay? So the video is not that long. So yeah, so we're gonna come here. You see, this is how I prepare for you guys. This one is chercher, enfant, son, maman. Enfant in French, it can be like a boy or a girl. We use it both. It can be like for a female and a male. Okay? So, chercher, enfant, son, maman. So, the right answer, if you want to put this, I want to give you guys at least, let's say 3 seconds. Guess the answer, what's going to be then. So, we have chercher, enfant, son, maman. So, mama is one, mama. After mama, this is the second one. Mama cherche son enfant. Okay, so when you write it, it's gonna be one. Okay, so this is gonna be when you write it, it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4. Mama cherche son enfant. Okay, so we're gonna write together. All right, so this is how we're gonna write it. Okay, so mama cherche son enfant. Okay, that's how it's gonna be. So remember, mama first, mama. This one is a French, mama. In Lingala, we write like this. In Lingala, you're gonna write like this. When you see like this, mama, ma. This one is Lingala. But in French, don't forget to put that. Mama cherche son. We link it here together. Son enfant. Son enfant. In this case, we don't know if it's a female or a male. We don't know. Alright? So, but just that's how I put it. So, maman cherche son enfant. Okay? So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So, we're gonna go to the next one. We come here. We have Gulin va. So, when you take a look, we have dimanche, le, à l'église, Gulin. Again, dimanche, le, à l'église, Gulin va. So, when you take a look, we have again, dimanche, le, à l'église, Gulin va. So, le is 1. 2 is the dimanche, le dimanche. Gulin va à l'église. This one is a 3. This one is 4. So we're gonna start here. Le dimanche, Gulin va à l'église. Again, le dimanche, Gulin va à l'église. So we're gonna write it, okay? Yeah, so we're gonna write it. So you see, le dimanche, Gulin va à l'église. Le one dimanche, tout Gulin va à l'église. 4. So, le dimanche, remember, the day in French, we don't capitalize them. Please watch the other video. We don't, like, the day, you don't capitalize them. No, we don't do that. So, le dimanche, Gulin va à l'église. Okay? Le dimanche, Gulin va à l'église. You're gonna put comma here if you want to. You're gonna put comma there if you want. So I'm not gonna kinda pick it down. If you're a beginner, you wanna put comma there, it's okay. So what I'm sika, I'm muta bandel. Ou tiens no bandit virgule a, On peut un exemple, on peut un exemple, par exemple. Okay? Ou tiens virgule wana. Ok, problème est ça. Mais c'est tant na ko expliquer binundeng to utiliser ba virgule ba blom suswana après. Mais ne bandel soko tiengo problème est ça na ko comprendre, okay? So that's how we write it. All right? So we're going to go to the next one. So here we have Karine, okay? So when you take a look, we have à l'école, calculer, Karine. À l'école, calculer, ou calculer is different. Calcul, Karine. So, Karine, calculer à l'école. Okay? I'm not saying calcul mental. No. Calculer. Karine, this case, this one is a verb. Okay? So, Karine, calculer à l'école. So, we're going to fix it. Okay? So, remember, we're going to start with one. This is one, the second, and the last one. Okay? So this is how it's gonna be here, okay? So one is Karine. Okay? One is Karine. Calculer. This one. Two. I'm not saying calcul. No. Calculer. Okay? And then à l'école. Okay? That's how we write it. You want to zuko manding wana. Okay? To bandina sujet, verbe na complément. If you watch the other video, you're gonna understand. Please watch the other video. You're gonna get it right. Okay? So this is exercise we're doing today. All right? So Karine calculer à l'école. Okay? If you say Karine calculer à l'école, it's okay. I'm not picky. I'm just, I want to make sure that you understand. Okay? So, next one. You want to come here. Une ampoule, gilet, allumé. Une ampoule, gilet, allumé. So, if you take a look, gilet is the subject. So, we need the verb. Because we have, when you look at les éléments d'une phrase simple, okay, inside of les éléments d'une phrase simple, we have the subject. We got the verb, we got the complement. So, na phrase simple, élément ya phrase simple is a sujet, verbe na complément. Gili is a sujet. So toujours look at verbe. Verbe is a oyo. The second one is a verb, allumer. The last one is this. Une ampoule. So it's gonna be Julie allumait une ampoule. So, we're gonna fix it. Put the right answer. Yep, so that's the right answer. So, we got Julie allumait une ampoule. Okay? So, yangona na tiwana. Julie est un sujet, allumer est un verbe, une ampoule est un complément. Mais nakota na ba détail après siko wezaka exercice tanto kuna video msusu ezoya na kuexplique no makamwa mingi. Okay, guys, so this one we're just doing today is exercise. I want to show you guys if you watch my other video, I was talking about la phraseology. When you look at it, you finish. Okay, you're gonna see I was explain to you guys les éléments d'une phrase simple. You're gonna see we have the subject, the verb, and the complement. So we have sujet, verbe, complement. We have it. So watch the other video before you can watch this one. Okay. So the next one, we have aimer la musique congolaise Kevin. So inside of la phrase simple, you're gonna see we have 3 elements. Like I said before, we have les éléments d'une phrase simple sont, we have le sujet, le verbe, le complément. So here we're looking for the subject. The subject is Kevin, is a subject. Now we're looking for the verb. The verb is, this one is Kevin, is the subject. Now aimer is the verb, the second one. La musique congolaise is the third one. Okay, so we're gonna say Kevin aime la musique congolaise. Kevin aime la musique congolaise. So we're gonna write it. Okay. So that's the answer. Kevin. I'm not saying Kevin. No, this one is French. Kevin. I'm not saying Kevin. No. Kevin aime la musique congolaise. If I want, I can change here. I can change. I can say Kevin aime la musique canadienne. Kevin aime la musique française. Kevin aime la musique américaine. Okay? Or I can say Kevin aime la musique anglaise. Okay? But I don't want to give you guys too much, so yeah. Yeah, so I'm gonna stop here for today. So thank you so much.